What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. My name is Nick, and in today's video we're just going to do like a little vlog style video. Hopefully keep it short and sweet to the point. Today's going to be a super packed day. I've got like 15 things on my list of things to do, and so the first couple are going to two banks, going to deposit some checks and cash some checks, and then going to move on to sourcing some products, purchasing products that actually sold that I don't have in stock. So basically what that means is I find products at stores that are like they have a lot of them in stock, and then I take them, I just post them online to sell them. Once they sell, then I go pick them up and then ship them out. I purchase them and ship them out. So I sold a lot this weekend, have to go buy those products to ship, buying them for about $5 a piece, and I sold them for 16 bucks a piece plus shipping. So that's a pretty cool flip. Also going to hit up Ross. I'm going to hit up one of the thrift stores and a pawn shop in hopes of finding like some Disney DVDs. We'll see what happens. So with that being said, let's jump into it. Let's get into this first bank and take care of some stuff. I finished up my bank runs, and so that's been done. 2 banks. I tried to film in there, but I learned quickly that that's a bad idea. Luckily, no police were called. Actually, it was not that big of a deal. You just can't film inside of a bank. Okay. So circling back to what I was talking about before, I've started to find products in stores that are, brand new products. These are not thrifts or anything, but they're very inexpensive products, and I'm posting them online. And this weekend, I actually sold 4 of them, purchased for $5, selling them for $16 online plus shipping. So total out of pocket cost to the buyer is $20.25 per item. I only spent $5 and I don't know, like 25 or 30 cents for tax. This, I don't know if I'm getting that right. This is the store here, but I'm blurring this out because I don't want you to know where this store is or where I'm getting this product, because honestly, I don't want the competition. I don't want people buying the same thing and duplicating what I'm doing on this, because I have a feeling that I'm going to sell a lot more of these. So going to jump in there, grab the product that I need, maybe search around for a few more other things, and then going over to Ross after that so that I can take a peek in there and see what I can get. Maybe they'll have some good stuff on sale. We'll see. I don't know. All right, guys, I'm done in my little mystery store. I'm going to jump in the car and head over to Ross, like somewhere back there. Gonna look for shoes. Not really like expecting to find anything in there because I'm kind of in the upscale area, and upscale area Rosses don't really, in my experience, don't really have super low prices, but it's here, so we'll check on it and jump back into this in a minute. So here's the thing about Ross. Mondays are their markdown days. So every Monday morning, right after they open at 9 o'clock, they start marking things down. Bottom level is clearance. I'm hoping to find some shoes for $3.95. I'm not going to pay any more for shoes than that because I still have shoes that I need to sell, but that's sort of the gist of it. $4 for shoes is the goal. Bottom shelf, it's looking pretty barren. We'll see what happens, and yeah, let's check it out. All right, so as I suspected, Ross was sort of a bust because nothing was on sale. I mean, there was some sale items. They were like 12 to 40 bucks, which you could flip that. I found one pair of shoes that were selling for like $75 and they were only $25, but because so much of my capital is tied up in product already, I'm really looking for some low cost, high flip items, I guess, if that makes sense. So on to the next place, but first, fuel, and also, like, what's up with these prices? Why? Okay, so I'm shooting this on my phone right now because I don't want to crash and die while I'm driving and trying to film on a DSLR. Time is really getting away from me, so I'm scrapping the thrift store and I'm scrapping the pawn shop. Maybe I'll hit those tomorrow, but I've got some pressing items that I have to take care of at home. So jumping into that, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed kind of this tag along to kind of see what I do to sell stuff online. Hope you enjoyed. Leave a like, subscribe if you're not already, hit the notification bell maybe if you feel so inclined, and then I will see you on the next video. Peace.